Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, we're taking a look at the Chameleon SKX case by Watch&Style. Check out those colors, guys. How cool is that? Goes from like a pink, purple, blue, green, yellow. Such a gorgeous, gorgeous case. Even the crown has the neochrome finish. Which the case back did as well. Now, you can get this whole thing for $128. It does come with a bezel. I got the sub bezel. You can also get a coin edge bezel, but I think the sub bezel looks a little bit better on this. It comes with the bezel, the case, the crown, the case back, and both gaskets, and as well as the spring bars. For $128, I think that's a hell of a deal. And it's the same dimensions as a regular SKX, so I don't need to size it for you guys. And then the bezel action is really, really nice. Doesn't sound too like clunky as some of the other companies that have bezels. This one's nice and tight, just the way I like it. So the case back is a, for an NH35 or 36, so it does have that spacer in there, as you can see. I'm not really sure on what dial I'm going to run on this case. It's going to be really tough. I would like them, I already contacted them to make a same, neochrome chapter ring and as well as a bezel insert. So we'll see. If not, I will. I already contacted Neochrome Parts to see if they can make me, if they can coat me a chapter ring and a bezel insert for it. So we will see. I'll also tell them and see if they can do that. I'll also do the case back as well, and I'll probably just run a, black dial, or if I can find a cool multicolor dial. We will see. Only time can tell. I know this case isn't for everyone. I think it's really neat. I really like all the colors, even though I'm total colorblind. So I just really think that it's a step up from all the other case coatings, like black and all that sandblasted. I think this is really, really unique and different. So if you guys like something different, I would say check out this case by Watch&Style. I have a few options I'm thinking of doing. If I don't get one of those, I can always do the green, like a green. See, I don't know if that looks that good though. What do you guys think? Green bezel insert and a green chapter ring. We'll see. I can always run a green aftermarket Sumo dial in there. I don't know. We'll see. Let me know how you guys think, or what you guys think of this case in the comments below. As I said earlier, I'll put the description for the link for the the description below. All right, guys. Wonderful weekend. See you on the next video.